So what was your relationship with President Kuffuor in the second term and all that?
No, very good.
Okay. What's your relationship with him today?
Today is, because something happened, a young guy lied to him, and I think President did not give me a chance even to explain.
What did he lie to him about?
Well, I went to Ada's office, house.
Kofi Ada.
I was chasing my money. I believe in business. That I remember very well. Banredu was the finance minister at that time. So Ada had taken over as the minister for energy. And he didn't know who was behind that. So he was not going to pay it. And I went to him. Whilst I was there, I met one guy. If I hear the same name with a chief director in, I will get the name. And he started asking me questions.
The guy?
Yeah. The guy. Oh, this election, presidential, whom do you think is going to win?
Oh, this is the 17?
Right.
Okay.
Then I said, honestly, when I was going to America, I'm just quoting what I said. When I was going to America, Alan was leading. But when I came back, people are shifting. And the reason, I don't even get them, because election, you need somebody who can raise funds. That time, Alan had raised about 13 billion. And some people did not even understand why. And they were using that against us. So how? So I said, because of the fundraising, now Nanado is slightly ahead of Alan. That was
all.
Yeah.
Then what did he tell J. Kuffuor?
Yeah, the guy is called Atu Eshen. Very bad boy.
Atu Eshen?
Yeah, very bad boy.
Maybe I know him. I think I know him.
Yeah, very bad boy.
Okay, so he then said what?
I hear later on, I heard he went to, I thought all along, till last year, I thought it was Alan who called President Kuffuor to tell him. Not knowing it was Dr. Anani.
Called President Kuffuor to tell him that what?
Yeah, that I don't support Alan. A whole lot of things went on. And the way the man loved me to death, he sacked me from his house without giving me any chance.
You went to his house to talk to him?
I had gone there, yes. Because they hinted me. Chemabute hinted me
that there's a problem, you should go and
yeah, there's a problem, so go to your father. Look, the man loves me to death. When I entered the house, straight to his kitchen, I'll go and prepare my own tea. Then I'll go to the smoke. Just say, no, that boy, he's evil.
So that day, what did President Kuffuor do? He said, leave my house?
Yeah, he didn't give me chance. He didn't know. I think now he's realized I never did anything of that sort. I never campaigned against Alan until he sacked me from his house.
How did he sack you from his house?
He said, and it's true. Whatever he said about me and his relationship is true. So he was hurt. He was hurt. But he didn't give me chance even to explain, because I was innocent about the whole thing. He said, you, small boy, anybody who asks me to give the position, I do it. But you, one thing, you can't do it for me. And you are opposing me. I said, oh, President, what? Then he said, I didn't know anything. I don't know what that boy, Atu Eshen, went and told Dr. Anani. And I don't know today what Dr. Anani told President that destroyed the relationship. Yeah. I have never done anything like that. So I came out to say, well, if he doesn't want to give me a chance, then hey, I'll support Nana Kuffuor. So I timed them. I was quiet. The last minute when they were in the buses coming, then I hit them. Bah! Everybody should vote for Kuffuor.
You hit them with a gun?
No, I mean, I came out on Adom FM and they told them they should vote for Kuffuor.
And you were quite popular.
Even that time?
Yeah, even that time you were.
Yeah, I told them.
So that's how come you were standing behind Kuffuor when he was giving the victory speech?
Yeah.
Okay, if President Kuffuor is listening, I'm sure he'll call you tomorrow, or you can go and
see he's a very nice guy. Very, very nice man. Very nice.
Why did MPP lose 2008 election? What happened? Everyone thought MPP was going to win. Everyone thought Kuffuor was going to win. He was leading by 100,000.
You know, our problem was that we were complacent. And myself, I can't tell you here. Somebody gave me guidelines, but I was so sure we were going to win, I did not even listen to him. So it's complacency.
President Kuffuor told me in an interview that the reason why the MPP lost 2008 was that as many as 17 candidates were running as independent because the primaries were not well managed.
He's right.
He told me that was the reason
he's
why.
Right too.
Because the economy was good, everything was good. Nanado had a commanding lead over Professor Mills, but this thing destroyed MPP in 2008.
He was good. He was right.
When you woke up on Sunday, did it occur to you that MPP might be back at the same place? Parliamentary candidates not well handled, independents come up, and an election that you were going to win, you can lose. Has it crossed your mind?
You mean now?
Now, yes.
Oh yeah, I'm somebody that is not swollen-headed with any position. So I'm always on guard. And therefore, I have a principle that no matter what, anything can happen. And I use a Spanish president. He was in the lead. And I think a bomb or something happened in the train within 4 days. And it turned the whole...
Everything changed,
Changed.
In politics,
insecurity. And they voted against him.
Yeah.
So until the EC comes to say that Nana Addo Dankwa has won the election, no complacency. I go full swing.
But now you've had parliamentary elections that has lost 40 of your MPs. Apparently today only 7 of them came to parliament. They might be unhappy. Some have collected their bicycles. John Boydu has ordered the bicycles to be returned. They may run independent. Are you going to work to make sure that doesn't happen?
Who asked them to
collect the bicycles?
Yeah.
No, some MP who lost, who had given bicycles, collected the bicycles.
So John Boydu doesn't have any right.
Well, he says he's destroying the name of the party. He should return the bicycles.
Well, but he doesn't have any right.
But if you give people something to vote for you,
but I'm
and they don't vote, can you collect?
I'm saying that we are general secretary of a party. If I use my own money to buy, I'm not supporting that anyway. Yeah,
I get it.
I would have given it to them
for free,
because
whether you win or lose.
Because tomorrow I would need them again, so I don't have a problem.
Yes, but he was angry.
But I'm saying that those who are angry and collecting them, the general secretary can't push them to bring it because he didn't give them the money to buy them.
Was there too much money spent on Saturday?
Well, I don't know about that because I did not.
No, you are safe. You ran on the post. You didn't need to.
Yeah.
But they said people paid 10,000 cedis for one delegate of 300 delegates.
Well, I'm not too sure, so I don't want to speak.
How much did Agyapong spend?
I don't know.
Why did you decide to support her?
That was simple. I have 2 kids with her.
Is it true that you said the speaker called you?
Yes.
Michael Quay?
Yes.
He told you to support his son?
Yes.
In Parliament?
Yes.
He told you in Parliament?
Yes.
And you told him you won't support his son?
I didn't say anything. But because I respect him a lot. Under normal circumstance, anybody who had said that, I would have given him some answers that he wouldn't like it. But I respect Speaker a lot. He's a very good friend of mine. He likes me too. So
does he know that you have 2 children with Honorable Agyapong?
He knows.
Did he talk about that when he told you to support his son?
No.
Does he have the impression that you don't have a good relationship with Agyapong, even though you have 2 children?
That one I don't know.
Do you have a good relationship with her?
Yeah, why not? That's why I went there.
Was she expecting you?
She called me.
To come and support?
Yeah. Yeah, she called me.
I see. Did she tell you that it was getting serious?
Yes.
So you needed to come?
Yes.
So by supporting, what did you do? Did you tell the delegates? Did you give them money? What did you do?
I went there to talk.
To the delegates?
Yeah, the delegates. And it's simple because, you know, I have a bond with the ordinary people in the party.
Yes, that's true.
And I always speak for them. So they look up to me in terms of needs that, oh, Ken will be there. Something happened, I will come to address case. A journalist told Honorable Alex Markin that he went to KT Hammond's constituency and some guys were debating whether to vote for KT or not. But 2 of them said, you know, whenever we have a problem in this party, it's Honorable Agyapong who comes to our aid. So if he has been here to advise us to vote for it, we can't say no to him. If
they
we
vote
do
for
that,
Katie Hammond.
yeah, this is from the journalist.
Yeah,
Alex
yeah.
is reporting this to me.
Yeah.
I wasn't there. So he's saying that the chairman took 20 people to go and vote. The people that he convinced to go and vote, 8 people voted for the chairman. That is the candidate with Katie. But 12 voted for Katie Hammond because of me.
Okay. That's believable. People in the
Right,
party.
that is
like,
what Alex said. The journalist who told him said he was standing there when they were saying, no, we can't say no to Honorable Ken. So let's go and vote for Katie.
You wanted Katie to be re-elected.
Yes.
Why didn't you help Marcus Ibeyeboa? He's chairman of the finance committee.
Yes.
Hard-working guy. Why didn't you help him?
You know, his help came too late.
Oh, you did help him?
No. I mean, when he requested, it was too late. I hear there were a lot of MPP people there campaigning against him.
But why?
I don't know.
Why didn't you help our MP here, Odote, Obama, Labadi?
In fact, he also came to me. The gentleman is bitter because what he told me in confidence, a lot of things that they reported, according to him, to the president, he has never done that in his life. But he was not given opportunity even to explain himself. So he's very, very bitter. And you know, let me tell you, before I came here, I had a call from Odoko area is what?
The constituency, you mean?
Yeah.
That would be one of the Okaikwe's.
Yes. I had a call from the woman organizer that they want to come and see me to patch up the loser and the winner, especially the loser. And I said, you know, if you go and play your dirty politics, and now you want me to what? It will be very difficult to reconcile the people based on the extent you go. Insulting, disgracing the person. Then when you win, you want to call him or her. It will be tough. But she says something, I say, okay, you Friday morning, you come. You see, some were very dirty.
But that's the problem President Kuffuor talked about in 2008. So the MPP is going to have a problem reconciling the party.
Yeah.
You will have a big role to play.
Yeah, but I don't know. In the name of the party, I have to do it. By the same thing.
So Michael Kwe has heard you say that you didn't support his son. How are you going to see? Were you in Parliament today?
No, tomorrow I'll be there.
How are you going to deal with that?
It's no big deal.
Will you go and say sorry to him?
Why?
Because
is it an offense to support a woman that I have 2 kids with?
No, he told you. You should have told him I can't support your son.
Well, I didn't give him any reply. But I was surprised that he was bold even to tell me that.
If you didn't support her, would she have lost? She won by just 8 votes.
Well, I don't know about that, but she believes that. Because when I went there and saw the crowd, I said, but these are, when you see their faces and the way they are smiling and everything, I think they are genuine. Then she herself told me, look, they came here because of you. If I call them, they won't come.
Oh, you addressed the people? The delegates?
I went there.
The day before the election
No,
or
no,
some
Thursday.
days? Thursday, okay.
Yeah, I went there.
Okay, so she told them Kennedy Agyapong is coming?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
And you know, I wouldn't have said anything, but you see, MPP, they have to be careful. Some supporters, the way they go about things. I didn't even know Ajua or her group put it on Adom FM that Kennedy Agyapong was going to the constituency or whatever. And Patrick Boama, Honorable Patrick Boama brought it for me to hear. The supporters of Michael Kwe were insulting me. I said, okay, I like challenge.
Okay, so Ajua won. You're happy about that?
Oh, yeah, why not?
Okay.
She's
is that her last time she's running, or you don't know?
I can't speak for her, honestly.
But will the MPP be able to resolve this crisis before December?
We will.
And you think that MPP